Hi, I'm Emma Hartnell-Baker. Let's watch these prep children in around week 10 using the speech sound Pics approach. This is some reading from today.
Big fat frog sat on a log by a cool pond. The frog was cool too. So it's that ooh sound that we've been looking at. You ready? Last one. Who can read it with me? Ready, Nicholas? I like to have a eye. We looked at that different eye. For my dinner, said the frog. Can I find a fly by the pond? One word each. Sally, you're going to start off. Frogs, Divine? Name. That's name. What? Which is this one? Was. That's my word. Fred. Daniel. Two. Sorry. Fat. Nicholas. Two. Divine. Jam. Across the pond. Wow, you did brilliantly. Thank you, guys.
Will we take these in a home reader?
Right, you can choose one of these and you can read it quickly to Mrs. Joe and I. Unless Mrs. Fowler wants to back.
No, hard one,
That's not a hard one. Dot.
Where's the orange lid? Anyone see
Dot had a pot of milk. You read it. Sam, John and his box.
Popping stuff.
Daniel.
I'm going to read
Daniel read the big fat pig already.
Oh, wow.
Easy.
I can read it. What's going on?
Thank you. I have. Let
him sit up on a box.
Wow, that's amazing. Go and show it to Mrs. Fowler.
I nearly finished the book.
Show me. Read it to me.
Dot
Had a
big dog.
That's it. Point to the words so that we can see which ones you're reading. That's it. What about the next page? You want point to the words.
Michelle.
You can actually point to the pictures. The sound Pics. That's it. Is in You have almost finished the whole book. Divine, where's your book? Can you read it?
The end.
Oh, that's about Dot.
Oh, sorry. Box on the box.
Well done.
You're yelling this down.
Read it for me, baby.
Had very
Rag. Well done. He had a very soft rag doll.
He had a pot of red jam too.
Wow, good reading. Lute, read to me.
I have a pet box.
Good boy, well done.
I let him sit
up on a box.
Wow, do another page. That's amazing.
It is fun.
Yes.
On the box.
One more? So good. Can you take this home to Mummy? Yes, can you read it to Mummy?
My mum Sydney.
But she think you're ready to Daddy. Hold on, tell me, Sola, you're taking this book home.
Because she is. I just read this. I want to take this home. I read all of this and I want to take it home.
Not even, he just...
Did you just whiz through it? You're so clever, Nicholas. Okay, put it in your bag. Don't forget to bring it tomorrow. Does anyone else need a book?
Daniel.
The box in the rug bowl had the milk and the jam in the very big tin.
You read the whole book. Oscar, give me a high five. You're amazing.
Get off the video.
What are these ones?
Seed, free, bead, breed, sleep, feel.
Too good.
Get off the video.
Okay, you video. Lily, I've missed you. Come, read to me. Hey, thank you.
Lily read to me on the floor.
Oh, did she?
Yes.
Okay.
But she only wanted to do one page.
Okay. Lily Billy. Read this to me. Honey Bunny. A fat cat.
Mat.
Are you videoing? Video the page.
Rat. Fat cat. Fat cat on a mat. Fat cat sat on a mat.
Amazing.
Fat cat and a rat.
Can you take this home and read to your mummy? Show how clever you are. Wow. I think you're amazing. I'm just going to put RA just so that I know it's Read Australia, because otherwise we're going to get mixed up with all the books. Put in your book and bring it back tomorrow. Thanks, Lily. You're a star. Jaden. It says he likes to eat. He likes to eat. What does he like to eat? Oh, that's amazing. He likes to eat. Gulp, gulp, gulp. So you think of something he likes to eat. That's the E sound. Let me see if I can find E in here. I wonder if I've got E. No, I've got that. Sure, it's pure. That's the pure. Sure, it's pure. Going to learn.
Okay. Why did I ask the video camera for me a bit?
Oh, how did they get handy? Oh, video. Video. Daniel. Reading. No. Careful, you don't drop it though.
So how do I make it even perfect?
Hold on, Daniel, come over here. Oh, has Mummy got to go in a minute? Is that where you're sat? Oh, honey. Come sit with me. Do you need one of the toys? Come sit. Crocodile.
Yeah.
Crocodile make you smile?
The other people.
Oh, I know. It's really sad when Mum. Oh, yes, that's the birthday hat. We need him with a birthday hat, don't we? Because it's a birthday. How old are you today? Are you 19? 20? 3?
He's 6.
9? 21? 27? 6? 52? 6? Wow. He's 6. Look at the birthday boy. He's 6. Wow. You know. Now, this is the A sound that you just did with Mrs. Fowler. Aid. What's that one? Aid. A-O.
Snail.
A-O.
Tail.
D-A-N.
Brain.
P-A-N.
Paint.
A-N. Stain. I put a stain on my shirt. Wow, you're so clever.
I have a video camera at my home.
Do you? Are you videoing Daniel's foot?
No.
For some strange reason? Okay. I think everyone's going outside in a second. Right, you look at those, point to those and tell the camera what they are. Not yet. I'm going to do it when you're all outside.
2, 3 K? What is CK? What is C? And what is K?
Jaden.
Say it with speed.
You know that's the A sound that you just did with Mrs. Fowler?
Ah.
A. What's that word? What's that sound? What's the sound? A. Paid. What's this one? Snail.
Go.
A-O. Snail. D-rain. Drain. Paint. Paint.
Ghost.
Stain.
Spain.
Stain. You ready? What's this one?
Go.
Aid. Look at it. Aid.
Go.
Aid.
In a
What's this one?
boat.
Come on, someone decide if you can take the
Go.
what's one? You ready? Snail. Snail.
Goat floating.
Tail. Drain. 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 Stain. Fantastic.
Stay Mum's show.
Oh yes, that's a good word.
Like Mum almost.
May I play?
My brother on my own Mum's show, and he almost put a stain. May I play?
So you are going to take Frog today.
May I play?
Fox.